Okay, in this video here, we've got a Schlage electronic deadbolt, and it does function and everything. And we can actually pick it open using a Rytan little half rake thing here. Now it's locked. These free spins, so you can't wrench them open. So you can zoom in here. Sorry I'm being quiet here, so it's about 4 o'clock in the morning. Don't be too loud. And see, we can't get this open. Oh wow, that was easy. Yeah, it already went. So you just get the lock open. You got to push it into engage it. And we're in. So that's a Schlage electronic deadbolt, picked open, or raked open. And lock it back, free spins again. And that's it for now.